Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your air conditioner remote from Fahrenheit to Celsius. First, find the battery compartment on your remote. It's usually on the back. Carefully slide open the cover and remove the batteries. Now, look closely inside the compartment. You're searching for a tiny button or a small switch, often labeled F/C or temp. This is your key to switching temperature units. Once you've found the button, you'll need a small, pointed object like a pen tip or a toothpick to press it. If it's a switch, simply flip it to the other side. This action tells the remote to change its temperature display. After making the adjustment, carefully put the batteries back into their compartment, ensuring they are oriented correctly. Now slide the battery cover back into place until it clicks shut. Point the remote at your air conditioner and turn it on. Look at the remote screen. You should now see the temperature displayed in Celsius, indicated by a C instead of an F. If it still shows Fahrenheit, repeat the steps carefully. If the temperature unit hasn't changed, don't worry. Some remotes have unique methods, so checking your air conditioner's user manual is always a good idea for model-specific instructions. You might also find that certain remotes require holding down a specific button, like the mode or temp button, for a few seconds. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.